What do you say in times of great tragedy? In this case, children and teachers murdered, and a country that is in shock and horror and grief. And we're seeing the media filled with just the outpouring of all this emotion. And I really don't know what to say myself. It brings up a lot of things, and I think about my journey through life and the people I've known and what it's like to lose people, and I know that this collective grieving is very painful, but it's also, I see people coming together, and I see also a great need. I see a need for people like you, the healers, the coaches, the change agents, the people who can stand strong and support others at a time of great tragedy. So how do you find that strength inside of yourself? How do you find that place where you can be there for somebody? Millions of people around the country, around the world are holding space for others. It's really hard to know what to do in a time of such tragedy. And I know that for myself, all I can do is get still inside and just be strong in myself and be present. Be present for myself, be present for those around me. And I invite you to really explore what that means for you. Where do you go to be really still and present and strong? How can you support others in a time of great tragedy? How do you do that? Now that we've got social media, now that we've got media that's so interconnected all over the world, it's much easier for all of us to connect and be supports for each other. And I see that at times of great tragedy especially, that feels more important than ever. It feels like a time where we go deep, we dig deep, and collectively we're doing that. So my invitation to you today is find a place internally, externally, where you go to be still, where you go to be strong, and just give you a little taste of where I'm at right now. It's a cloudy day, it's a snowy day, and here's where I go to get perspective. Here's where I go to just kind of gather myself. Now, you may not be out in nature, you may be in an urban area, but there's a place I know that you go, whether it's internally, externally, but somewhere that you feel strong, somewhere you feel able to be, just hold space for yourself and others. So where is that for you? How do you find that strength? And together, let's do what we can. Let's hold space for each other, whatever happens. This is a time of great reflection. Share your comments below. Tell me how you find that strength inside of yourself, that you go to be able to hold space for others. How do you do that?